Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Behance Jobs Platform Review My Usage Experience. Behance Jobs Platform Review My Usage Experience offers a curated look at the job opportunities available on the Behance platform. It's aimed at designers, illustrators, and other creatives seeking freelance or full-time positions. Key features likely include job listings categorized by skill set and location, portfolio showcases, and possibly tools for applying to jobs directly through the platform. Their website provides details on how to access and use the platform's job search features. Behance's reputation as a portfolio platform lends credibility to the job postings. The ease of use depends on your familiarity with Behance already. Pricing is likely integrated into Behance's overall service model, and availability is tied to the availability of jobs posted by clients. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Behance Jobs Platform Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I already had a Behance account, so finding the jobs section was easy. Navigating the interface was intuitive, though I did find the filtering options a bit overwhelming at first. I used the keyword search to find UI/UX design jobs in remote locations, which narrowed down the results nicely. The platform performed well, the search results loaded quickly, and the job descriptions were clear and concise. I had a quick question about a specific job posting's requirements, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how visually appealing the job listings were, showcasing the portfolios of the companies hiring. One minor drawback was the lack of a salary range displayed upfront. For many listings, you often had to apply to see the compensation details. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience. Behance's existing network made searching for relevant jobs easier than on more generalized job boards. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs. That's my overview of Behance Jobs Platform Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.